How to log in to Sweat Wallet account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. You can sign in into your Sweat Wallet using your Sweat Coin application if you have installed in your device. If not, there are alternative ways also. For this, launch a Sweat Wallet application in your device. So right over here, the first method is to continue with the Sweat Coin. If you do not have this application, no need to worry. You can click on the option of Continue with Google, or there are other alternatives such as entering your username or secret phrase. If not, you can just click on Continue with Google. Select on a Google account which you want to associate with the Sweat Wallet account. Then tap on Continue as. Be patient while you are logging in. Also, make sure to toggle on this option and tap on Create My Wallet. After that, tap on Let's Start. Click on Next, 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 and tap on Open Your Wallet. And just like that, you have created your very own Sweat Wallet account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.